clean a shower curtain liner? 12 tested machine and hand washing methods. That grimy, spotted shower liner isn't broken, it just needs the right method. Soap scum, mildew, and pink slime each need a different fix. Here are 12 tested ways to clean it, 5 by machine and 7 by hand. First, check your liner's material before you start. Vinyl and PEVA go in cold water. Fabric liners go on a delicate cycle, and none of them ever go in the dryer. Heat melts plastic and shrinks fabric instantly, so this one rule matters more than any product you use. Machine methods. Let's start with the washing machine. Method 1, the towel buffer wash. Load your liner with 2 old towels, your regular detergent, and half a cup of baking soda on a gentle cold cycle. The towels scrub the scum off mechanically. Method 2 swaps in 1 cup of white vinegar through the softener dispenser, perfect for hard water crust and mild mildew. Method 3 uses half a cup of bleach for white or clear liners with stubborn black mildew or yellowing. Always spot test colored liners first. Method 4 is an oxygen bleach soak for dingy fabric liners. 2 to 4 hours submerged, then a normal gentle wash. And Method 5 is a cold, detergent-only delicate cycle for cotton and designer curtains. No bleach, ever. One pro tip for every machine method: pause before the spin cycle on plastic liners. Spinning presses in creases that never fully relax. Hand washing methods. No machine or a liner too delicate for one? These 7 hand methods each target a specific problem. Method 6, a baking soda paste scrubbed in circles, lifts soap scum without scratching. Method 7, a 1-hour vinegar tub soak kills mildew at the root instead of just fading the stain. Method 8 is a 5-minute weekly dish soap wipe down for routine upkeep. Method 9, hydrogen peroxide spray, destroys pink or orange bacterial slime safely. Method 10, lemon dipped in salt, dissolves rust rings around the grommets. Method 11 is a borax and lemon juice paste left overnight, your last resort for severe set-in stains. And Method 12 is a daily vinegar mist after your last shower. 10 seconds that can stretch 6 months between deep cleans. Drying and prevention. After any wash, always air dry, no exceptions. Rehang the liner immediately, spread it fully across the rod, and run the exhaust fan or crack a window. And extend the liner fully after every shower, so folds don't trap water where mildew grows fastest. So that's all 12 methods to keep your shower curtain fresh for years. If you want premium curtains handled by one trusted team, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.